Today we're going to show you some of our tool storage options available at Genfitt. Here we have our 6-drawer tool chest. Each drawer runs smooth on ball bearing slides, and each drawer is fitted with a non-slip cloth. A tool carry tray is stored in the top section of this tool chest. The drawer lock is engaged when the top lid is closed. Here we have our 2-drawer intermediate tool chest. Our 5-drawer cabinet has extra deep drawers to suit more bulky tools. A pair of fixed castors and a pair of swivel braked castors are supplied with this cabinet. A convenient storage system can be made by combining all the sets together. You can find these tool chests and cabinets or other storage options and combination systems like these on our website under Garage Equipment. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.